Do you have a website and want to monetize it to generate revenue? Introducing Google AdSense, a powerful tool that allows website owners to display targeted ads and earn money. With Google AdSense, you can easily monetize your website by displaying relevant ads based on your content. First, sign up for a Google AdSense account and submit your website for review. Once approved, you'll receive a code that you can add to your website's HTML. Google AdSense uses advanced algorithms to analyze your website's content and deliver ads that are specific to your audience. You'll start earning revenue whenever a visitor clicks on an ad or makes a purchase through the ad. It's important to optimize your ad placements to maximize revenue. Experiment with different ad formats and positions on your web pages. Use Google Analytics to track the performance of your ads and make data-driven decisions to improve your revenue. Remember, quality content is key. Provide valuable information to attract more visitors and increase your chances of earning through AdSense. So, whether you have a blog, an online store, or a news site, Google AdSense can help you make money from your website. Thanks for watching this video on how to boost your revenue with Google AdSense. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks.